Hello everyone, welcome to our new tutorial about Expensify. So Expensify is a software application that is designed to simplify the process of managing expenses and financial transactions. So it is for businesses and individual professionals. It offers a range of features that cater to expense management. So the first thing that you will need to do is to go to Expensify official website, and then we start the process of signing up. So just click on start, and then you'll have to sign up by using your Google account if you want. It's super easy. So after signing up, we'll have access to our dashboard. As you can see, the platform is super friendly and super easy to manage. So here we have our home page. Here we have our expense where we can, add new expenses and manage our expenses and transactions. Here we'll have our reports, and here we're gonna have the insights. So going back to our home page, in this page you will have all the notifications and messages from Expensify whenever there's something new about your account or about the platform or new features. And as you can see here, you're on a free trial for 7 days. So if you like the platform, you can sign for a paid plan. And if you don't, you don't have to pay for the trial. So now let's go and click on expenses. As you can see, on the top of the platform, you can add a new expense. So you click on it. You'll have many options. You can add it manually, or you can scan a recipe or create a table for multiple expenses. Or if you want, you can create it from distance. So you can create it by manually create distance or create it directly from the map. So I'd like to say that the easiest way here, if you have a mobile, is to scan your recipe. So you can take a photo of it and just add it right there. But now let's first try to create it, let's choose the manually create option. So first thing you have to do is to add the name for your expense and the date of your expense and how much it costs. So here you have many options for your currencies, for like euro, US dinar or Canadian dinar, a lot of currencies. And here you'll have the option to add the category of your, of your expense, like if it's a car, if it's an equipment, is it a fee? And here you can add a description for your expense, or also add an automatic report or a new report. So let's, for example, add a merchant name, let's say for Triffy car rental, and let's add the date, for example the date of today, and here we're gonna add the price of our expense. So let's say, for example, it is 2000 dinar. Here we're gonna add the category. The category is car, and it is for me, and we can add a description like renting a car for amount. After that, we go here and click on distance. Also, you can add an image here for the receipt if you want. So just grab it and take a photo for it with your mobile, and then going back to distance, here you can add the distance for your expense. So for example, if it's a car, you'll just add how many kilometers you're gonna use it for, and also you can add your recipe directly from the map right here. And here we have multiple. So this option is for you if you have many services happening in the same time. So you can add a lot of expenses, and you just have to click here and edit each one. You can add the name of it, the price of it, and you can also add the category and the description. So when you finish adding all the necessary informations for your expense, you just click on here right there, save, and automatically your expense is added to your dashboard or to the list of your expense. And as you can see here, you can look for your expense or search for it by filters. So we have filters for the date, for the type of the merchant or the name, for the category. And as you can see, so many filters like approved expenses, closed expenses, deleted one. So yeah. So now if we go to the menu and click on report, here you can see all the expenses or the reports of your expenses. And if you want to add a new report, you go on the top of your dashboard and click on new reports. After that, as you can see, you can add an expense from here, add expense, and with it you can add the reports. So technically it is like the same process of the first from adding an expense. Or you can directly go right there here and you can comment or write your report and then send it from this icon, send. And also you can attach a file from here, like you can add the PDF report and link it and just upload the attached file. Also, if you click right here, you can change the name of your report, so you can make it easy and an easy and simple name for you to understand each report and it is related to which expense. I mean, the platform is super easy to use. Like as you can see, there are very clear features and it's not something hard to learn. So after adding the file, the PDF or the description of your report, you just can click here on submitted and your report will be added to your expense. So this is a new option. So now if we go again to the menu, we see this feature which is insights. So this is a new option where you can track your expenses, so which expenses are approved, which one are in process, which are open expense and which expenses are reimbursed, and of course which ones are closed. So if you can see here, you can filter by category, you can see the category, the average price, and you can see raw data right here if you click on it. So for example, so also here you can see your tags, you can see your cards, so here you can manage everything, you can see how much you're spending and stuff like that. And now if you click on settings, you'll see this option which is workspace. So here you can add new workspace if you're like working with a team and you have to manage your expenses together, it is for a project or something like that. So you have a lot of options, like a free plan for your team if you want to streamline your back office, and free expenses cards. You have a collect option, for teams who are looking to automate their processes. So everything in the free plan with the custom coding account integration. And if you want a more organized and more advanced options than a requirement, you can use the control workspace offer. You can name your workspace and then just select it and start using it. So as I said, Expensify is popular among small to medium-sized businesses, freelancers, and individuals who need to track and report expenses for work or tax reasons. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.